Sheikh, if someone wants to commit a sin, for example, smoking, and before doing it, a bad thought comes to them. Like if you do this sin, you are this and that, like Kuffer or Shirk thoughts, and then they still go ahead to do the sin. Does that count as acting about the thought? Because of the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, does that make the person a disbeliever?
No, this has nothing to do with disbelief or kufr, because the hadith stated that acting upon the thought in what serves the thought. These intrusive thoughts that shaitan implants in your head has nothing to do with reality. If shaitan comes to me and says, if you drink green tea with mint from this mug, you will become a mushrik. And I'm thirsty. And I drink it. Do I become a mushrik? You drank from it. You acted upon the thought. Of course not. The thought to begin with was insane, was illogical. So acting upon it would mean that I would commit shirk, I would commit kufr. What does drinking from a mug or committing a sin or opening the fridge door, what does it have to do with kufr or shirk? Even if you convince yourself. People come to me in counseling sessions and say, Sheikh, I get the thought that if I breathe, I would be committing kufr. So I hold my breath to the best of my ability and then I fall weak, Sheikh, and I have to breathe. So am I kafir? You're crazy, not kafir. Definitely, you're not kafir. This has nothing to do with kufr or shirk.